Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy glutathione tablets. First, it's crucial to understand what glutathione is and its potential benefits for your health. Always consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's right for you and to get personalized dosage recommendations. Take time to research different brands and product formulations, looking for transparency in ingredients and manufacturing processes. This initial step helps you make an informed decision. When selecting a supplement, prioritize bioavailability. Forms like liposomal glutathione are often better absorbed by the body. Always check for third-party testing and certifications, which confirm product purity and potency. Compare different products based on their dosage, the specific ingredients included, and their overall price point to find the best value for your needs. For purchasing, stick to trusted online retailers or established pharmacies. This helps ensure you receive authentic, high-quality products. Be wary of unofficial sellers or marketplaces that might offer suspiciously low prices, as these could be counterfeit or expired. Always take a moment to read customer reviews and check product ratings to gauge other users' experiences and satisfaction. Once you have your glutathione tablets, always follow the recommended dosage provided on the product label or as advised by your healthcare professional. Proper storage is also key to maintaining potency. Keep your tablets in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy the benefits of your new supplement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.